people, ito yung program natin. So, ito yung una. Parang binase lang natin siya sa, what do you mean this? Sa Canvas. Di ba naalala ko? Ito yung DFA lesson natin. Basahin nyo muna. Then, start DFA simulation. Dito, okay, ito yung mismong UI na information natin. So, ito yung random DFA generator. So, kunyari, lagay tayo ng 6. Kasi tinatamad ako i-fill up. You can manually fill out this. Wait lang. You can manually fill up this or just generate randoms. For our demonstration, let's just generate randoms. Gawa tayo ng input size na random 6. Generate. And here are the states. Generate. Magbabago yung transition. And okay, gawa tayo ng sample input ng 1001 and simulate DFA. Shot na din na ako. Kinagat ko kasi, so natututbrush kasi ako, nakagat ko siya. And now my tongue is bleeding as fuck. Okay, now after generating the DFA, bakit ang tagal? Okay, ito na. Tandaan nyo, lagay natin is 10001. Here's our table, 10001. First, result is accepted, so dapat yung lalabas dito is accepted. Transition this, start, this one, and result. Ayan, nabiblink siya ng blue. Pero pag gusto niyo pa mas ma-impress lalo, pwede natin gawin yan B times A, sabihin natin C plus. Then design transition. With this, you can copy this. Pero I think, in-implement ko na siya automatically mapupunta dito. 2 to 3. Yan. Pero ang catch niyan, kailangan alamin mo muna yung last, which is Q3 in this part. Q3, okay. Accepting is Q3. Start state is Q1. Accepting is Q2, Q3. Then let us simulate the DFA. Just 100 to make it faster. Okay na. Ito siya. Pop, B, A times, nag-loop siya. Then, C plus. Pag nag-backread kayo, magigets nyo yun. Backread kayo sa lessons. Haha.